Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a wonderful day. In this video I'm going to walk through how can you delete text messages on iPhone or iPad. So guys, to delete text messages on iPhone or iPad, just go to your text or messages. Now after going there, just long press on a text message just like this one. And after that, the last one here you can see delete. If you want to just click on delete and again click on delete. And by clicking delete, the conversation will be deleted from your phone. And if you want to delete the specific message, just click on it and long press on it here like this. Click on more and click the bottom this left option. Click on delete message, and that's how you can delete text messages on iPhone or iPad. So guys, hope you find it helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Techavro. Thank you so much for watching this video.